ECOM Hustle.
Hello, welcome to ECOM Hustle. Today we are trying to take you through the step-by-steps on how to get an account on Jumia and shop online. So head over to your browser and then search for Jumia on Google. So follow me as I go. So the first one over here is the Jumia official website. So we'll click on that one. So after you click on it, this their interface. They have a very nice interface. So if we just cancel this one, now that exit one, then since we are new over here, this is your first time wanting to shop online and you wouldn't want to mess up. They have a very nice interface and you wouldn't want to mess up stuff. They have very nice and cheap and affordable. So let's go ahead and create an account. So we go to the accounts option and we click on sign in. So after we click on the sign in, it will take us to a page where we will have to input our credentials to start. And so you can just straight ahead and input your email and your phone number, and you just get to it. So or you can also go, if you've logged in with your Gmail, go with a Gmail. If you have a Facebook link, you can also go with your Facebook. So I'll prefer to go with my Gmail. So let me click on the login with Gmail option. Okay, so you see I've already logged in with my Gmail, so my Gmail shows over here. So I'll click on it. So after clicking on it, I'll just go on to the continue button. Just to continue, to confirm. Okay, so you have to fill this stand with your name. And make sure you fill the date of birth also as well. And make sure you are filling it with the right details because you wouldn't want to mess up with your account. You know, sometimes when things go wrong, they will ask you about all these stuff. These are your things, you don't have to mess them up. So you input your phone number you want to create the account with. Okay, so I'll go ahead and type mine. And know that when you are shopping from this website is a very, very reliable website I can recommend to you. If you are shopping in Ghana, you have a very, very affordable stuff. So after being, you have to agree to confirm. If you don't agree, they won't allow you to continue. So you agree then continue. You click on the check. You select, you see you are trying to check whether you are not a rewards. But you see, we are not rewards away yet too. Let's just continue. They gave me a rather tax, so they said I should select the bicycles. It's where you click and new image will pop up. So you just have to make sure if the image you are clicking is with a bicycle. So I'll do that and afterwards I think this one's also. Okay, so let me confirm. Okay, so here you click the send code. So here they are going to send you an OTP code to the number you used for the registration. So mine has been sent. If you click in the number, the code was not sent. You can wait for the 60 seconds to end and then you click send again, they'll resend it. So as you can see here, we have successfully created our account. So let's go to the phone page. Jumia is a very, very wide e-commerce platform on Ghana here where you can get an affordable price of styles, and they have a variety of them also as well. Most of them comes with a lot of discounts, and so let's try and search for something. Let's search for a blender. Okay, so blender, let me choose the first option. Yeah. Okay, so once you search for an item, they mostly bring or related aspects to your search. So easy, I search for blender, but they've given me a lot of stuffs and some are relating to blenders. You see, like the second one, double speed electric meets grinder over here. So they give anything relating to what you searched. Also, and one thing you should also note that is I went by from this website. You have to be vigilant and be much more cautious because sometimes they might post some. You see the first post we saw, it was around 600 cities. And now when you come here, it's around 247. That's the gadget, you see. It's because they post an times rules on, they give discounts on them. So when you are buying, you have to go through, scrutinize them to find the discounted product for your, to fit your budget. You can also come to the brand aspect over here to set for the brand that suits you. We can set for the brand also. You can navigate through here, adjust them to your likeness. And you see the seller score. Seller score is what people rate the sellers after they purchase their stuff. So you can also streamline all these and filter them. You can also adjust prices as well. You see the price where you can adjust the price range to fit your budget. Because people usually comes online to buy something and they have their budgets already. So they don't have to dictate what they should buy. So they have to cut that and so that the website will provide them with stuff that really falls into their budget. So let's go ahead and cut our budget. They have a button here you can just pull through, cut the budget, or simply you can just come here and then type, let's go to 300. Okay, so I'm cutting the budget from 60 cities to 300 scanner cities. Apply. So you see, after we did that, every item you see over here is within that price. They won't give you something above what you've input. I hope you get me. Yes. So that is one thing that is also very, very useful over here when you are shopping on Jumia. So let's go ahead and make a purchase. I want to take you through all the steps, all the necessary steps. So now we click on our carts. That is where we are going to find everything we've added. So now you see the silver crest, we added this over here. So let's go to checkout. If you go to checkout now, you want to make payment for what you want to order. So since this is our first time making an order, they will make us fill this customer's address. Well, that is to add your address to it. So you can fill it with your name. Make sure it's the receiver's name because sometimes they check your ID. So make sure you type your name in according to what is on your ID. And your number, your telephone number is already there, so you just have to check if it is still correct. If you have an additional number, you can add it. And here you can add your email address, which is also optional. So let's check in the regions. They are available in almost all the regions. And you can navigate, let's see, Gitaka and its environment. See, they have a lot of branches. See, all these you see are branches where you can find their stations. So they are mostly spread in the regions. So it's easy finding them. And you won't get a case where you have to travel miles to get a pickup station. I think Jumia is not like that. They are there for our comfortability. So let's go ahead and just find something. Let's just navigate through the system. So you see, these are the towns where you can find your pickup stations. You see, Buakwa, Duma Honcho, the Ilo to let's move to. Let's just pick something up and just move forward. So, okay, let's see. Okay, so let's pick formula. Okay, so when you see this aspect also, if you want to go to the pickup station, make sure you just type the town where you are, and also I think your area name, or if you are closer to a church, any landmark, you can just add it to the additional information. So let me go ahead and then type my email address in the address session. So the address session is not necessarily for your email, but just for indication purpose. That's why I know how to type my address. You can just type your house number, where you are, you're located, your hometown, your street's name, and then anything that will help them find your address, your house number, your town. You see, afterwards, then you click on the save. Well, you see, now we are done with our address. Well, now the next option we have to do is to move to the payment option. So when you come here, they have a lot of payment options that are really, really nice, and they are very, very encouraging because everyone can purchase, because you wouldn't need any extreme class to be taught on how to make payments on this Jumia platform. Yeah, very, very easy. So we just go ahead and then let's go ahead and pick up a pickup station. So since we choose Formula, it will be good and also advisable to pick a pickup station at Formula because that is where we actually choose where we live. So Formula, and we will actually find a pickup station at also Formula. So I think it's a very good thing. But I don't think you can pick it from the map. But if you check through the map, you can see they have a lot of pickup stations, and we can also navigate down also to see whether they have a pickup station very close to you or in the nearby towns within your area. So let's search for Formula where we actually meet up on occasion. Okay, so we actually have our pickup station set up. So we select it. So afterwards, the next thing is the payment option, which I told you. Okay, so let's go on and take in these aspects. Here you see they show the payment options you have. Here you can pay with MTN or money. You can pay with Airtel. You can pay with every network. I think all the networks are all linked here on this website. So I think payment is not a problem. And you can also go for an option which you pay on delivery. That is, they will send you the items when you go for it, then you make payments over there at the pickup station. I think that is a very nice option for me, so I will choose that one and then click confirm. So then, now I can also, now after you're done with this, you can check through and then go ahead and confirm your order. So, right now, as you can see, our order has been confirmed. And you can see your order number over there. So, after you see this tick button, then that means your order has been confirmed. You've listened a successful order on Jumia. So, let's get back to the page again. Now, I want to see my order. So, when I get back to the page, I click on my name and then click on the order. See, here you see all the orders I've made on Jumia. So I think it's very, very simple. This website is also user-friendly because everything, getting everything is very simple. You have to click and then read everything. Okay, so as you see, they have a lot of goods over here, which you can navigate to find whatever you want. Well, let's see. I want to see something. Okay, let's find a television over here and see. Okay, I get one. There's a high-car Android TV. So, and it's a 32 inches. So let me pick that one and see. Okay. You see, they have a lot of stars over here. All these 4 stations and 4 stars bags. A lot. And have car sprayers and also let me pick a high car television. Okay, you see this television is going for 1,259 Ghana cedis now, 60 pesos, and it has been discounted. So easy, the original price was 2,130 Ghana cedis and it has been discounted for 40%. So it is a very good deal, and this is a smart Android TV. I'm not sure you get this type of price anywhere in the market soon. I think it is a very, very good offer. And looking at this over here, you can change your location to see how much Jumia is going to charge you. So let's just change it to the airport. It says this is a pickup. Easy. Pick up in 4 to 6 hours. You see, you can just purchase and even get your item within the same day. Today is 28th October, and they are telling us if you purchase, we will get our item on 29th that's 28th to 29th. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Also, as well, if you have anything, if you have any question, if you have anything that baffles your mind, you can just write this in the comment section and it will get back to you. Stay tuned. Bye.